This is a quick tutorial on backing up and restoring your ASIAIR microSD card using macOS. To do this, you'll need the following: a Mac with an SD port or a USB port where you can plug in an SD adapter, your ASIAIR, a power source for the ASIAIR, and optionally an empty microSD card that you can use for a backup. For the backup microSD card, you should ideally use the same type of SD card as the one that came with the ASIAIR. If you can't find an exact match, use one with the same capacity and speed as the original. For my ASIAIR, I used an exact match that I got from Best Buy for around $14. The first step in the backup process is to remove the microSD card from your ASIAIR. There's a little ridge on the top of the card that you can grab with a fingernail to pull out. Be careful, microSD cards are fragile and can break easily. Next, the backup SD card you purchase should have come with an adapter. You want to take that adapter and insert the SD card that you just removed from your ASIAIR into it. Make sure the label is facing up. Now, insert the adapter into your Mac. Be careful here. The card will go into the Mac in both directions. You want to make sure that the side holding the microSD card is facing out and up. To back up your drive, first launch Finder and select the Applications folder. From here, find and open the Utilities folder and double-click on the Disk Utilities application. On the left side of the screen, you will see two devices. One is the computer's hard drive and the second one is the microSD, probably called boot. Click on the boot drive and select File, New Image, Image from Boot. This will create the backup image. The dialog that appears shows you where the image will be stored. In this case, it's in the Documents folder. Click the Save button. Enter in a password if prompted. Click OK and the image will now be saved. Click the Unmount button at the top of the screen to unmount the SD drive. Now go back to Finder and navigate to the Documents directory. You should see a boot.dmg file. This is your backup image. Now remove the adapter from your Mac and remove the microSD card from the adapter. Next, we're going to create a backup microSD card using the restored image. Insert the new microSD card into the adapter and insert the adapter into the computer. Launch the disk utility again. You will now see a new disk on the left side called Empty. Select it. Now click the Restore button and select the Image button. In the dialog that appears, select the boot image that you created during the backup and select Choose, followed by Restore. If all goes well, the process will complete and you will now have a new microSD card containing a complete backup of your ASIAIR software. Unmount the disk and remove the adapter and card from your computer. Finally, we want to test the backup. Insert the new microSD card into your ASIAIR. Turn on the power and wait until you hear the beep, indicating that the ASIAIR has booted. After the beep has occurred, grab your tablet and go to Settings and select the local ASIAIR network. Next, launch the ASIAIR application. The software should now say reconnecting. If this happens, you're done. You have successfully backed up and restored your ASIAIR. You now have two microSD cards containing the ASIAIR firmware. You should leave one in your ASIAIR and carry the other with you in case the first card fails in the field. You should also keep a copy of the boot.dmg file you created during the backup process. If a card ever fails, you can create a new one using the DMG file and the restore process.